Hey guys, Eric here. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a color that you like using this Chrome extension. Pick color from web page, and let's just give you a quick for instance here. Let's say I want to use this color here, this color blue. Again, pick color. You'll see the image right there of the color. Click on that. When you click on the inside here, you can see the color. We can copy that. We can scroll up, and let's go ahead inside this section here. Background color, paste, and then if you want to add that particular color, you just press add picked color. There it is. Update, and basically you'll be able to see the color is the exact same as this. Hopefully that was helpful. Thanks again. See you guys soon.